Welcome to Technical Drawing. Today we'll see this sum in missing view. Front view, top view is given. Let's see. Two views are given, front view and top view. We need to draw right hand side view. Now if you see in this, we'll see part by part. First we will draw 45 degree for side view. So you project, you'll get side view. So layout of side, you will just mark the midpoint of the box for our reference. Okay, after this, we'll see from here. So first we'll see this part, line, line. So we'll get rectangle. So whenever you see line and line in both the views, third view will be rectangle. So in this case, it will be rectangle. And I'm drawing the bottom portion also. This is also line, dotted line, so it will be rectangle. So we are done with this much part. Now there is a dotted over here. We have a circle, dotted. So here also it will be dotted. So I'll mark 20-20 on both the sides. From center, I will mark center line. And remember, the dotted line will come only in that upper part. It's diameter 10, so 5 on both the sides. You can project from top view as well, whatever you feel comfortable. Now after this part, slope, rib, right? So that you will project from top view. See this. Even you can take center point and 4 mm on both the sides. See this way. And you project from here. So wherever it will cut, there you will show this curve. From there you will draw vertical line. So we are done with this slope. Then we have this part, rectangle, which is this rectangle. So it will appear as a rectangle. We'll just project this. It may coincide with that dotted line. So whenever it is coinciding, I'll request you to check the dimension and do the calculation wise and check whether it is coinciding or not. Because at time it can be drawing error also. So we got this much part. This line will be dotted because you can't see. That we'll see. First we'll draw this circle. So we have a circle, rectangle. So it will be rectangle. See this. It is 40, so then it will coincide with that axis line of the dotted circle. So all these things you should keep in mind. Now see, this much will be dark and this is dotted. This will be dark. This is dotted. Then axis. Now we have a circle, dotted line. So here also we'll have dotted line. So we are done with side view. need to draw sectional front view, that is along AA from here. This is the cutting plane line. So if you see, this cutting plane line is passing through this. So in this circle won't be dark because it is behind. Cutting plane is not passing through that. This will go away. This circle will also go away. Half circle will also go away. This will be dark. This will be dark. Now we'll do hatching. So we are done with sectional front view. This is AA. Now we'll do sectional top view along BB. Always remember, the cutting plane will be always in the other view. Now in this case, it is cutting till here. So this much rib portion will be cut. This will be dark because dotted is getting cut. You can remove the remaining lines. If you want to keep those dotted lines, you can keep it also. It's not compulsory that you have to remove it. Like if you see in this case, I have kept one dotted line. If you want to remove that, that is also fine. Because I have kept only because it gives, it is actually a boundary line. So that's why I have kept. If you want to remove, you can remove it. And you can do hatching like this. So I hope you people have understood sectional top view. Thank you.